We have now left the Jaivilas Palace and now we are heading towards our third attraction point in Jawar. And let me lead you through the third point. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the scenic beauty of this place while we reach the third attraction of this place. And what's the name of the attraction and what's the speciality of it, we will let you know on reaching the point.
For those of you who are watching this video for the very first time, this is the fourth episode of the Jawar series. In the first episode, which we have covered the route to Jawar and the nearby cities and which route to avoid, and apart from that, in the other two episodes we have also covered the tourist attractions which we need to not miss on Jawar when we are visiting here. So please stay with us and check out this video. To know the location, please watch the video till the end, and those of you who have missed out on the previous videos, you will find the videos on the I button of this video.
We are heading to the third point, which is 4.2 kilometers away from Jaivilas Palace. So let's head towards our third point. Meanwhile, you can also guess what is the third point if you have known this location or been here, but we will soon let you know about it. Meanwhile, we are taking this ride. Let me also tell you that Jawar is quite famous for its Warli paintings. So there are many shops as well who could represent the Warli paintings of this in this location, which is the speciality of the people staying here. So if you are a fan of Warli paintings, then yes, you should visit here and also have a look at the Warli paintings which are sold by the shopkeepers here in the town side of Jawar, because the locations which we are taking you through are not in the proper town side of the Jawar, but it is at the interiors of it. You will get to see many fuel pumps over here. Most of them are of Hindustan Petroleum, Bharat Petroleum. We saw Gujarat Gas also on our way. So you get to see many fuel pumps, and the best way to reach Jawar so far I have noticed is by your own private vehicle only. There are no direct public transport which can connect you to the city of Jawar, which can take you anywhere closer to the tourist locations here. But yes, the best way to reach Jawar is by a private vehicle. In another 1 kilometer and 2 minutes ETA, we are about to reach our third point in Jawar. So far we have seen Hanuman Point, Jaivilas Palace, and now we are about to reach our third point. Another 400 meters to go. So I seen few videos on YouTube where I came across one. It was suggested not to follow the exact location for our third point. I'll let you know which is our third point once we reach there, just in another few minutes. So for this location we do not have to take the exact location pin shown on the Google map, and I will provide you the location pin so that you can easily reach here. So now we are at Shirpamal. Shirpamal is the meeting place of Vikram Shah Mukne, who is the Koli ruler of Jawar, and he built this memorial as in the memory of their meeting on 1st May 1995. So Shivaji Maharaj, while travelling to Surat, set up a camp here with his Maratha army, and which is why when he met the Koli ruler of Jawar, and which is why this memorial is set up on 1st May 1995. So let's have a look at this memorial and also enjoy the view from here. So this is the memorial. This is the memorial which was built on 1 May 1995. And just behind the memorial, you will find a beautiful view of Jawar. है आगे की लोकेशन में, और नेक्स्ट लोकेशन कौन सी है, उसका क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है और वो एग्जैक्टली कहाँ पर है, ये हम आपको आगे चलकर ही बताएंगे। तो बने रहिए हमारे वीडियो में एंड तक आगे के पॉइंट जानने के लिए।